Hi everyone. So, it took me all morning to do this. I've been doing this for nearly like 3 hours, I think. I'm gonna go have something to eat now, and we're finished with it. Thank God. Oh, there's one small job I need to do. But anyway, I have my shower tray done. Not shower tray, that's a shower unit, and I've adjusted it. The doors are closed and properly, and nice solid job. Yeah, I made a bit of a mistake here. I put it in, it was away off Powell. It said on the thing like 25 mil, and I did do that, but for some reason it wasn't working, so I had to do a bit of adjusting with it there now, and it's working fine now. I'm not worried about this. I have a plan for it. So yeah, so we have, it's working as well, the heater for the bathroom. Oh, that's nice and warm actually. Yeah, it's working perfect. Turn it off. There's like two settings on it. Once for the 1000 watt, and the second time for the 2000 watt. But yeah, that's working. I'll show you what the guy for the well came and did. One second. I can just show everyone this. What we've got in here. That's the system, water system for the well. That's the salt that you have to put in. I think you put in here. Mike knows all about. He's going to show me. And then the filters go in here when you change them and all that. That's a spare filter now that goes on it. So yeah, that's all finished. Just now to finish off the wiring. The boys are doing that at the moment. Still have fully finished. They got the cooker wire down as well. I'll show you that as well. I actually forgot to show you this, but it's the electrician has the wires. Well, the electricians, I should say. They've put the wire down here. Look. So yeah, that's all ready. Just need to put the switch on and connect the cooker. There's still a lot to do with the wiring. But at least I'm glad that I got my shower unit put in today. I wanted to get that done. So now I'm going to go back, train my puppy in since we've got time, and head away home. So yeah, that's what was done today. I know it doesn't look like much, but it probably is for me because it was a bit of a pain in the ass trying to get it right. It said on the instructions 25 mil, and when I put it on the 25 mil, it was just way too, like there was not much of a gap, like, you know, like it was out with parallel and everything. So I had to adjust it then to fit it right. I'll come back now some other day now and do a little silicone around it. Hopefully that'll be a nice job now then. So yeah, that's sorted. Next weekend I think I'll be doing the architrave and the skirting. So hopefully that will be done soon. I hope we have nice weather still. So we'll wait and see, I suppose, and find out. Yeah, been there. I'm tired from it. You know, it's a lot of not going on trying to get sorted and everything else. Look, I'll get there slowly but surely. Hopefully now next 2 months we'll get it sorted. We'll see. Anyway, like I always say to everyone, I know this is going to be very small video. Like and subscribe to the video, and see you in the next video. Bye.